The Sámi are the indigenous people of northern Norway, Sweden, Finland and the Kola Peninsula of northwest Russia. And the traditional Sámi settlement is the most far northerly settlement in Europe. The Sámi people are divided between 4 sovereign states. No one knows exactly how many Sámi there are today, but it's estimated that there are approximately 80,000. The Sámi have down through the ages lived from reindeer herding, fishing, hunting, trapping, farming and trade. The Sámi called the area of their settlement Sámi. The Sámi flag was adopted in 1986, and the Sámi have their own national song. The Sámi People's Day is 6th of February, which celebrates the first Nordic meeting between Sámi. This took place in 1917. The Sámi are today part of modern society. In a short time, the Sámi have made the transition from a hunter-gatherer society with a natural economy to a modern lifestyle and paid work. Only a little more than 10% of Sámi people now make a living from traditional occupations and industries. The Sámi have adopted modern aids in both traditional industries and in their everyday lives. Traditional food and cooking has a major place in Sámi households, and harvesting from nature's slaughter is still important.